Yes, sir. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning on this amazing Friday. You know how it is. Good morning, Victory Settings. Morning, Josh. How you doing? Morning, Oslo Pool. George. Good morning, good morning. Yanez, my boy. Jordy, what's up? So MX Station, WW. Lasik. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Trizzy, yo. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I feel good. It's Friday. Yo, what's Peter? Peter, what's good, man? Rena FX, Ben. Your name's so hard to pronounce, bro. Mykono, if I said that, or Mykono. Morning, what's up? Bro, it's so hard to see your name. David, what's up, Brody? I'm good, bro. I'm good. MLYKO NKO. It's like, I don't even know how to say that, bro. But good morning, mate. Victory Settings, WW. Schmeets. Good morning, bro. Yes, Friday, man. Listen, it's a good day. Let's end it on the week strong. Let's be patient. Let's just stick to our strategy. And yo, what's up though, trade? Yeah, let me just put some lo-fi beats on, man. Cool. Yo, Sakari, how you doing? Cool. So it's a Friday. We've got, damn, bro. If we go on Forex Factory, we can see there's a lot of news coming later today. And what tends to happen in price is you tend to consolidate before news, because the liquidity and the volume is all getting prepared for the news event, right? When you have, yo, Captain, what's up? When you have one news folder, you might not consolidate as much. But when you have 3 news folders, the big move to clean the range will usually happen in the news time, right? So it's just rigged like that. I just don't know how it works. The top guys know how it works, but the hedge funds and all that, we're just here to catch our piece of the market. But behavior of the price tends to be a bit like it is right now, where it's just chopped, you know. It's chopped up tomatoes, man. Look at that. Right, Harvey, was good. Basically, all right, cool. So now we can do a bit of a longer analysis today, because we're not rushing anything. Yeah, we're not rushing nothing right here. Cool. So we got plenty of time, because I wouldn't take anything until probably the hour candle anyway, to be honest. So we got time. Cool. So let me pull up the Zoom annotations. Morning, Hurst. You lost your funded with that trade that you took with Don. It was your first funded. It was 180 off passing. I ain't sour, though it happens. I got another. We move. It was my first funded anyways. Yep. Well, at least you got the good mindset. You're not being like butthurt about it or anything. Bro, it happens. I blew like 4 fundeds before I even started getting funding and stuff. Because it even takes a while to get used to the rules, like the drawdown rules and things like that. But what I would suggest is, obviously, the stops we use on stream, you probably won't blow it, because I don't use like 100 pip stops and stuff. I use like max, I'd use like 60, 70 really, that area. But if you're using 100 and like 200 pip stops, you can still trade it, but you have to chop that lot size down a lot. So yeah, because obviously the thing is, Don will make it out that trade, because Don's trade and his stop loss, he knows where to put his stop loss. Like, look at every time, I've seen it countless of times if you watch Don, he puts his stop loss in the perfect spot where price just doesn't tap it, comes all the way up, and then he gets a dub. That's why with Don's trades, if you want to copy the stop loss, I would suggest you just chop down your risk size as well, so then you won't blow any funded either, because then your account will be able to handle the drawdown, and then you'll make it out with your 10-20 pips on a 40 something win streak. So that's my suggestion if you are doing funded and taking the trades. because his trades are very high probability. He's got 90% win rate, bro. So, but you just have to chop down the lot size on the, so you don't get hit on the daily drawdown limit on the stops. Got my first funded challenge and I'm down 1.47%. Cut my clock, loss early. Yeah, that's fine, bro. 1.47%, that's nothing. And yeah, it was 24-hour stream before as well. Yeah. Yeah, Don. To be fair, he's not lucky. He's just smart. He knows where to put his stops. 5 years of hard work is like, it's all on him. That's why he's making money, right? People are greedy. They won't cut down their lot sizes. Yeah, and then that's what happens, bro. You don't cut down your lot size, and then all it takes is one bit of drawdown to ruin every month. Like every month that you was greedy on, you know. That's why what I do, I just stick to my percentage risk. Boom. If you're gonna copy someone's trades, you're gonna have to copy their stop loss as well. And then you also cannot get upset if, I'm not saying it to anyone here, I'm just saying to, like, because I was seeing some people in this chat, bro, if you're copying someone's trade, you have to copy the stop loss, second of all, and you have to risk based on yourself. How can you be a grown man taking another man's trade and getting upset if it hits stop loss, and when you didn't, like, you're just blindly taking it? Don even promotes you understanding the trade before you taking it as well. So do I, so does Yanez, like we all, so does Wix, like we all promote, like, if you're gonna take the trade with us, then make sure you understand it as well. And then if you understand it, yeah, cool, you're comfy with the risk, boom, then you can take it, because it's not gonna be that deep, bro. But if you're a whole grown man and you're taking another man's trade and you're getting upset if it's in drawdown, like, come on, bro. You're gonna have to go watch Aiden Ross gamble on Kick if you want to see that, because trading is not the place for that. At the end of the day, it's your money on the line, isn't it? Exactly, bro. That's it. You can't blame others from your trading's a big thing where, like, what changed the entire game for me in trading was dropping my ego, bro. I used to, like, come into trading with this ego that, like, yeah, bro, I'm like, oh, I took an L, man. I was like, market's fault, like, what the fuck, and start blaming things. The moment I literally stepped back and I did like a psychology journal and I was like, bro, that's my fault. Why the fuck did I over risk? Why the fuck did I do that? Why I didn't actually, was I too impulsive on my entry? Why did I not just wait for the break of the highs? Things like that will make all the difference. I'm not even joking. It literally makes every bit of difference. You have to just understand that you might be wrong. It might be you in the wrong. That you should actually find every reason to blame yourself rather than every reason to blame someone else. If you do that, you're going to be profitable. Simple as. You just got to stick with it then. Most of Don's audience aren't grown men though. Yeah, there's some grown men that still probably complain, innit? But he came out with a dub. So let's just do our analysis now. Alright, let me share the annotations. That's not Don's problem, exactly. Don's here to provide value. I became profitable because of Don. Yanez became profitable because of Don. Wix, probably same thing. We all just, Don's a man, bro. So you cannot complain. Right, so monthly candle on gold, right? This is interesting. So we haven't actually come that far up after having this. Obviously, you know what happened that day when we had that massive liquidity grab. We broke these highs and we're still flipped bearish. So let's drop down on the lower time frame and see how the weekly candle might close. This is going to be very important, this weekly candle, right? Because if you close back into this range, then you've grabbed liquidity, you're closing back into a range. Yes, you can come for like a fake out to trickle back up, but very easily you can also, what happened when this closed back in the range? We drove down. What happened when this one closed back in the range? Drove down. This one drove down. So if it wouldn't be mirroring these moves exactly, because obviously we closed above on this weekly candle. But if the next one closed back in, that could anticipate we could at least maybe even come down to here before breaking these highs, like, because you're gonna have to grab a new set of like orders to come up, right? So that is going to be very interesting. Just this weekly candle close is going to be show us basically what the next week and the month is gonna do, pretty much. If you go to the daily, we can see that, cool, we have a range on the daily. I can see from here pretty much to here. Okay, that's one range. And I can see that, like we analyzed yesterday, that we closed bullish candle support. Then we closed another bullish candle. But this bullish is a small bullish candle, so it's not heavy bullish. That's why I think, actually, we got a lot of news holders today, so it's might probably retest the top of these highs today, because we are technically still bullish. But what I tend to do is, if it's like a bit of indecision, like for example, this is bullish, but if we look closer, we can see that we respected these. Like if you dissect the ranges even more and we zoom in more, you can see that look, if we were stuck in this range, we tried to close above this range, and then we closed respecting. So now for buys, yes, we're bullish, I guess, but it's just a bit chalked right now, to be honest. So in these scenarios, what I do is I look for range 2 buys and range 2 sells. That way you're safe in whatever direction. If the range 2 buys will probably be across near the break of these highs, and the range 2 sells will be like maybe on this flip or break of these lows or something. So that is how we're going to tackle today. The 4 hour, let's just jot down. This is where we're going to start to get like a good spot of where we can get our entries. Previous 4 hour closed bearish. We closed back into this range slightly. This one broke the lows as well, so even though we're coming up, could easily just flip back down again. It is a bit chalk, to be honest. I would love to see a 4 hour closure above this resistance. If you closed above on the 4 hour above this resistance here like that, that would show a bit more. That would show me a bit more confidence, because now on the left you're actually less chalked. Jeez, my boy Yanez, $20, bro. I'm sending that back, bro. You don't need to send me money, but I appreciate you, Yanez, man, my boy. Little Christmas present. Yeah, I got the YouTube the earn thing today, like a YouTube partner. I got the YouTube partner thing today, which is pretty cool. Okay, yeah, so you can close above this. It would be better, because like you see, if we closing like in here, you can see at the left, like it's still so chalked now, and there's a resistance right here. But if you close above there, you've got the next resistance all the way up here, which means you probably will push up at that point if that 4 hour closes above, which is important. If you close below, I don't want to see, the problem is I don't want to see this candle, if it closes bearish, I don't want to see it just close in that range, right? We're in this range here, between there and there. I don't want to see it close in there. I'd want to see it close like this, at least if it's going to close bearish, close below that support, right? Because then we've got range to come down right to here and then to here. So that will be thing. W side hustles. Yeah, bro. To be fair, YouTube money is like nowhere near trading money. So, but it's good, you know. It's a little. We'll see what happens. It's better than nothing, right? Okay, cool. So, cool. Now let's dissect this. Like we said, we're gonna go look for range 2 buys and range 2 sells. Look at that zone. Now when I'm analyzing myself, I'm seeing why Yanez was saying it's chalk, because bro, that is disgusting. That with 3 news folders yesterday, yeah, mate. Yeah, mate. Chopperoonie. That's chopped up, bro. Basically, yo, good morning, Cryptomaniac. How you doing? Yeah, so let's look for these range 2 buys, and then we'll draw the range 2 sells after. Cool. So what I like to do is I like to see, okay, what day is it today? Friday. Alright, Friday. So this is the Friday range from here to here. So that's all range 1, right? So this is all range 1. This whole thing here. That's range 1. We're not taking buys in range 1. We'll be taking buys in range 2. which will potentially be up here, because that is range 2. Because look how cleanly we dissected that. Because look, you got this resistance for the day, support for the day. Now that's one range. Now you break out that range, you got this next level, and then that's your range 2. So that's why we will be looking for buys above here, not above here, because this is just, yes, you could take buys above here, but yeah, you're lowering your probability, right? And we only look for these. What do we talk about? We are every day. We look for the A star, A plus, if you're in America or whatever, setups. But in UK we call it A star. But A plus setups, same thing. That's what we look for. We don't look for, what's the point taking a B plus setup or B setup or A setup when you can just wait and get the A star or the A plus, and your real money's on the line. Treat it like a business. Boom. You know, like we always say. Now the range 2 sells, these are not going to be the sells. These are not going to be the sells because it's chopped up. So sells are going to be a bit dodgy, and it probably, to be honest, chat, if I, yeah, bro. How many pips is this? Fuck, man. Sells today is not looking good, bruv. Yeah, sales are not looking the sweetest. We can go on the 30 minutes, see if we can chop it up a bit more, you know. Pre-NFP chop. Yep, that's yeah, exactly. Like I explained, that's usually what happens. The behavior of price tends to consolidate before a big news event, or at least multiple big news events, you know. Oh, we got 200 people watching already. I appreciate you if you drop a like, chat. I appreciate that. Thank you guys, thank you guys. Like it up. Yeah, so sales, as we know, is going to be a bit chopped, right? Yes, you can say, all right, why don't I take sales here? But we trade price action, and what are we going to look at? This is going to be a good learning thing, right? So the reason why we don't take it below any resistance, yes, I mean support. Yes, it's a strong support, but that's not the only criteria we look for. Daily candle up to 2050, then we'll close red in NFP. Jeez, appreciate it for you for the $1.99 ISO pool. I do think, to be honest, I think we could push up as well, because we're more bullish than bearish, right? So I actually agree with that, to be honest. And NFP, if anything can push it up to 2050 or anywhere near there, it's going to be NFP, right? So W ISO pool. Cool. When we look at a zone for a support, we don't just look at if it's a strong support, because this technically is a very strong support, right? We've got candles here, 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 here. You got wicks here, like this resistance there. So that is not our only criteria for where we get our zone, because we got to look left. Price action is the art of looking at price in the past, and price candles are basically data. You look for data in the past to show you what's going to happen in the future, because there's nothing going to tell you more about the future than the most recent past, right? So when we close above below here, we came straight up. Would not want to be involved in that. When we close above here, yes, this one came down, but then this one came up as well. So it's not really worth the probability wise. So why can't we just move it where we'd have high probability, where most things came down and at least tapped like this zone right here. So that will be our comfortable cells. We'll be comfortable with those cells between there and there. We will not be taking cells here. But if we dissect on the 30, yeah, it's the same situation. To be honest, so yeah, this zone looks good. Cool. Look, when we close below here now, this is a better zone. When we close below here, we got a little resistance support here, but we didn't break the previous low on that support, so it may be invalidated if you look left. So boom, close below, tap that, close below, tap that, close below, tap that, close below, almost tap that. So that means our advantage point will be like that. And we could even move it, to be honest, here, and that'll probably be better. There we go. Perfect. That is what we'll be waiting for the sells. The buys on the 30-minute. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's up here, bro. These buys here are just going to be chopped. So we're kind of waiting for this, to be honest. And yeah, that's what we will be waiting for today on gold. Nice. We've dissected the range. We saw what we can look in the range, what we can't. Can you explain why you wouldn't buy at the point where you're talking about sells? That's because down here, if you look at where we close, what happened in the past when we closed below there, we came down, we didn't come up. So I would rather take the sells down here, because I know from my understanding of price, once price comes down here, the higher time frame is king, and the higher time frame will suggest that you are coming down. But if we don't come down here and we go up here, the higher time frame is king, the higher time frame will suggest that you are going up. Yeah, you know our big our fat sells yesterday, did anyone hold those? Because damn, bro, we got that wick entry, right? We got that wick entry on some of the 4 hour, made like a top. We got the wick entry like here or something. Jeez Louise. Mad. If anyone held that. Good shit, great explaining. Yeah, bro, when I explain, I appreciate that. When I explain stuff, I try to like break it down, you know, properly, because one, I understand how to explain things usually, because I was in your situation like 2 years ago where I was learning from Don, and there were certain ways that I picked up learning to understand. So that's why it helped. I feel like I'm not too shabby at explaining some things. How much time do you give yourself for mastering a pair and then learning a second one? So even when I first started trading, I traded both gold and GJ. Yeah, well, we're going to do GJ analysis in a second as well, but we don't need to rush because there's nothing here right now. I'll do it in a second. Yeah, so how much time did I give myself for mastering a pair? I actually first started trading learning both gold and GJ, and I haven't changed it since. So that's been 2 years with gold and GJ now. So when I am looking at NAS, but the only time I will add another pair is once I've fully back tested it, and I've also forward tested it. So I would need to go on a simulation like FX Replay, which I use, and I'll probably back test it for 6 months to 1 year. Then what I'll do is I will be looking for live. Then I'll live test it, and I'll do analysis and have maybe make a new account, like a tiny account, and just test how the probability will work and stuff. Now after 3 months, if that seems okay as well, then you can add it, because I don't like rushing and adding things. That's the same way when I add new plays to my strategy. I don't do it straight off the bat. I need the real data for that as well. W analysis, go like and subscribe. Hey Ben, my boy, appreciate you, man. I appreciate you, Ben. Ben's been here before I even started streaming and stuff as well, so big up Ben. You're getting better with your trades now. Amazing, bro. That's good to hear. It's always about, it's like the slow progression, right? You get better each week. 1 week, first week you're making some mistakes, you're not getting your zones right. Okay, second week you're actually getting the zones right now. Okay, that's a dub. You're better than you was last week. Then the next week after, you're reading price better on the left. That's another dub. And next week after, your understanding of higher time frames is better. That's another dub. And then that's how you work. So in the beginning, that's the real dubs that matter, not the chart ones, not the profit in your account. Because think about it like this, you know, when you get a dub and you're happy with that little, like you get 100, 200 pound in your account, that one day, that's going to be nothing for you. That's going to be a pip. So why worry about that money or get even excited about that money when you know what the end goal is, right? The end goal is to be making like these pips. Each pip you're making like 500, 1,000, right? Hey, the captain! Fun fact: Husmuli win rate on stream is 100%. No joke. Yeah, we have actually got 100% win rate on stream so far. But I don't want to... I appreciate you, Captain, man, my boy. But, yeah, for chat, I don't want to, like, everyone get caught up with win streaks and things. That's why, yeah, I'll say, oh, yeah, we're on a 3-win streak, but... Which is amazing. But I don't want anyone to get caught up because a loss can literally happen and we will be so comfortable with it because we know we're good in the long run, right? You look at that trades total and you look at that, that's what really it will be like over like probably the year or something. Because that's what my journal personally is like. Yeah, appreciate you, Cap. Cap's the mod goat, man. If you keep doing what you're doing, Cap, you'll... I'm telling you, Don will make you a mod as well. So then you'll be the... Probably the one of the first mods, new mods on every stream. It's pretty sick. For sure, for sure. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's do some... Yeah, Captain's on that grind, man. Captain is on that grind. I respect it. I respect anyone on the grind. For sure. Alright, let's look at GJ. GJ is bearish. As you can see, we are very bearish. The weekly is also bearish, but it's going to be so interesting to see how we close. Are we going to close in this range, or like respecting it, or are we going to close below it? If we close below it, we'll probably drive down to retest these areas of liquidity. Or if we close respecting it, then what you could see is the down vol play where you just get a big... You close respecting, so the next one comes down, grabs liquidity, and then you come back in the range like that, coming back up like so, which has happened plenty of times like this, you know. Cool. Let's look at the lower time frame now. Daily is also, see, this is where it's going to become tricky, right? We close respecting this zone on the daily. We close respecting this zone, this zone, this zone, this zone, and yeah, this zone, right? We close respecting this on the daily on GJ. This one hasn't broken the lows either. Yes, we are bearish so far, but this move, I see it getting corrected. I see this flash crash. Usually when a flash crash happens, you get corrected. I don't know why. It's just rigged like that. It's just, that's how the market makers do it. So usually that might happen, right? So if we get a closure above range 2, we probably will be able to catch a piece of the market coming upwards like that, which will be lit. But yeah, man, cool. We're going to be looking for range 2 sells again and range 2 buys again, both ways on GJ because of how the daily closed. So this is range 1 as we all can see. This is range 1. Let's just see how many pips this is. Yeah, cool. Cool, that's range 1. We're not taking sales below there, but here will be sales below if we get a closure, because that is the range 2. Let me just see. I might need to move it like that. Cool, amazing. That's, oh, we're on the 4 hours as well, by the way. And then 4 hour, cool. So now let's drop to the 1 hour. Probably is going to be the same thing. Yes, this I'm going to class as overall range as range 1, which is here. Like that. I know technically you can split this up into range 1, range 2, but because of the 4 hour situation, this one, we're going to say this is range 1 and this is range 2. And for buys, this will be range 1 and then range 2 buys. Let's look left. Yeah, it's not bad. That's not bad. Cool. Range 2 buys will be above there. Then let's drop down to the 30 and dissect it a little bit more. Cool. So let's look left. Yep, amazing for the sells. Buys closed above, drove up, Close above, draw to at least this advantage point. Close above, tap the top of this range. Yeah, cool. That looks decent. Let's just line it up with the most recent price history. And that looks okay, to be honest. Chat. That looks a bit better. Perfect. That's what we're looking for GJ. This range right here, we may be able to catch something if we... The daily is bearish, right? But the 4 hour is bullish because we closed bullish previously and we broke the previous 4 hour high. And then we close. This 1 hour will be interesting to see how we close. And then the 30-minute has got no top wick. And the 4 hour still bullish. So yeah, this is going to be interesting. Cool. We'll dissect our zones like this for now. We may, don't quote me on this, we may be able to get a position here. Like if we close respecting this and then we come down to make like a bottom wick and maybe a wick entry or a fake out back up. But we'll see. It really depends how these 1 hours close and stuff. But yeah, we got time. We got 17 minutes. Cool. Cool. Yo, what's good? Hi Husbro. Hi Mac. How you doing? Macu. MAQ. Pitbull. What's up, man? That's a good name, to be fair. Israel Question. What's up, bro? Oh, sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Buy or sell though. SG. Stop being announced. Classic. What's up? Who else have I missed? Husk, how did you manage risk yesterday? Because I couldn't and I lost 1 month worth of profits. What would you mean manage risk? We didn't have no drawdown yesterday, bro. Or do you mean Don's trade? I didn't take that trade. Because I only take trades that, like, on my own analysis, right? I didn't take Don's one. I was in the Zoom to support him on the stuff because that's what I do, man. But I didn't take it personally. But I would, to be honest, he didn't lose as well, you know. He got a dub. But what I would suggest is, what I would do is I would chop down that lot size a lot, especially if you got 100. If you're doing the 100 to 150 pip stops, chop down your lot size. You'll be fine. You won't hit that. If you're hitting your margin before the stop loss, then you need to kind of step back and say, what is the reason for this? Is it because the trade was invalid, or was it because I over risked and I didn't leave enough margin in my account? If that's the case, then you can be like, all right, cool, I took the loss this time, I'll take it on the chin, but next time I'm gonna chop down whatever lot size I used on this one. I'm gonna do like half of the lot size, or I'm gonna do a quarter of or a third of the lot size that I did. Yeah, if you take Don's trade, Don knows. The thing is about Don, right? He knows exactly where he's putting his stops. He knows exactly where his TP is. That guy understands price to the T, and he's the GOAT, right? But you like, if you even copy my trades or Yanez's trades, if you just go blast the fattest lot size you can, you might hit stops before you might get margin call before we even hit stops. And the trade's still valid. The reason why we place stops in certain areas is not for the fun of it, right? It's because at that point the trade becomes invalid. Anything before that point, the trade's still valid. And that's what we do. I didn't hit the margin, but 100 pip SL makes your profit small, especially if you unfunded. But like, it makes it small, but the thing is, it all depends. Like, what are you trying to make the profits big? Or are you trying to make big profits? Or like, I don't get it. I understand what you're saying, bro. Like, you seem like obviously you're first getting into the funding stuff, so that's literally fine. But yeah, there would be no, if I'm using 100 pip stop, I would have to chop it down, and you have to just be fine with taking smaller profits. But the thing is, you take smaller profits, but if you trade like Don, you'll win more as well. So it still evens out, right? It's all maths. If you take 10 pips, but you take the 10 pips 45 wins in a row or some shit, you're up a lot. You're up like 450 pips. Do you understand? You're still up 450 pips, which is a good amount. But if you do our way and like, okay, yeah, you close a bit bigger, but then you take less trades, it kind of still evens out. It's all maths. It's quick maths. Quick maths. Where's that roll safe guy? Oh no, that's not the roll safe guy. It's that other guy, bro. The skiddy dip pop pop. This guy.
Boom.
This is how I manage risk. You ready? This is how I manage risk.
Sneak, scoop no, rat no, usna. All type the get them as well. Boom. 2 + 2 is 4. -1, that's 3. Quick maths. Everyday man's on the block. Smoke trees. See your girl in the park.
That girl is a uckers.
When the thing went quack quack quack, you man were ducking. All type Asney. He's got a pumpy. All type my man. He's got a frisbee. I trap on the road. Moving that cornflakes.
Rice crispy.
All time my girl Whitney. Perfect. On the road doing 10.
To be fair, you know what? The lyrics are just bogus. Like, what is he on about? But it's actually kind of catchy, I'll be honest. That's why it blew up. Can I break down my trading journey? Big bumper got spliff. I bust it in me. Oh yeah, that was funny. Can you break down your trading journey? Yeah, so when I first started trading, the only meme song that's a banger. Yeah, bro, for real. Now, there's a few bangers. What was I gonna say? Peter's question. Yeah, can you break down your trading journey? Yeah, sure. So, first started crypto. I started in crypto. I made some money in crypto. I was just so deep in it, fucking investing in shit coins and stuff like that. But I knew when to exit and stuff because I saw where everyone's trying to hold to all-time highs and then they always get burnt. So I just took my profits and cut every single time, and it worked. And then I got money from that and I went to trading Forex, and I started off with a demo account. I tried to get the swing of things, and then once I got used to everything, I went and did like a £200 live account and I blew it. And then I was trying to trade like oil or something random. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I don't know. And then I just blew it. Then I did it again, and then I made like 2k in a trade, and then I blew it all in the next trade. And then I was like, cool, right, I need to sort this out. And then I just went full on grind mode on streams, watched all of the Don streams, watched like, now you guys got so many streamers to watch. Like you got me, Yanez, Don, Wix, Elvis, Kieran, all of us. But then watched all the streams, and then I slowly built my account up. So I started like 1k when I felt comfortable, and then I built it up to like a good amount. And then a year in, I started doing fundeds. I blew my first like few fundeds because it was like a different. I was getting used to the drawdown. I was like, damn. And then I eventually did get funded with MFF. I got a few payouts with them. And then I got funded with my funded FX as well. Then I got funded with TFT, and then I'm doing FTMO right now as well. So that is a journey pretty much, and that's what. And my goal for 2024 is 1 million prop firm capital. That's my goal, and I know it's doable. So that'll be cool. And I want to do the you know, like when you get payouts with the prop firms, they do like the interview thing with you. So I just need a few more payouts, and you'll see me on that interview. probably by like March or something, hopefully. But I don't want to put a time on it, right? I'm just gonna take what the market gives me. What's your average winning position? Is it above 1% while risking 1%? No. So it's still negative RR, but so if I risk 2%, my average win will be at least around 1%. But sometimes if the range is really clean, I'll hold it until 1.5, 2%. So it all depends, but average I'll at least get 1% usually. On average. If my journal on average is like 1% as well. Oh yeah, Hus, what made you not take Don's trade yesterday? That is entirely, literally, because it's just not my personal strategy, right? That's Don's strategy. It's his analysis. There's nothing wrong with it at all. Like, he knows what he's doing. He wouldn't take my trade, you know? Like, I don't take anyone else's trade. Me and Yanez don't take the same trades even. Like, we just don't. Like, it just depends if it fits your own personal strategy, yes or no. If it's no, don't take it. If it is, take it. That's why I didn't take it. Everything I learned, like the structure of everything I learned though, is from Don. I just added like own personal things, which is every trader needs to do. You need to develop an understanding of yourself, who you are, how you like trade. Like, are you emotionally stronger to hold trades longer? Do you want a higher RR? Then you can go for a different strategy. If you don't mind taking a bit of a hit on the risk to reward but having a higher win rate, does that help you? Do you like to day trade? Do you like to be in and out of trades? Do you want to hold it for days? Like, how does your life situation work? Are you working in the office 5 days a week? Do you need a strategy where you only need to look in the chart for like 2 hours? Like, all that type of stuff. Yeah, he said, I see. Well, his analysis on point. It's just that we didn't have top wick first, but he was right about the day being bearish. Yeah, man. He got a dub. He got his 8 pips. Don's that guy, man. That's why I always like stick with him on the call and stuff as well, because I love. I've been watching Don enough times to know this guy he's an AI. He makes it out of every situation. He's a, and even if it hits stop loss, he does not care. He's been in this game longer than me, longer than everyone here, and he knows what his financial situation is. He knows how much to risk. He knows how much he's built his account up. I saw him in front of my eyes turn 140k or 137k or something to 1 million. I saw it, every trade. So no one can say anything, right? He can't keep getting away with this. It's like this. You all laughed at me, but you're not laughing now, are you? Have you seen it? It's like this one.
You all laughed at me. Well, I have to say, you're not laughing now, are you?
You all laughed at me. He sounds like Jack. Nigel Farage sounds like Jack, bro. You all laughed at me. You all laughed at me. But I have to say, you're not laughing now, are you? Alright, chat. Closing 8 pips. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Farage barrage. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in Discord now. By the way, in case anyone wants to join. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Bro, that's stuck in my head, man. Alright, GJ. We're not taking sales at this because we broke the previous 4-hour high, right? The daily is in an indecision because we closed respecting the support. So we went range 2 both ways, and that's why we are not taking this position right here, because at any point, yes, you probably could get a few pips, to be honest, but is it worth it? Nah. It's not even that many pips, bro. You'll get fucking 2 pips, 3 pips. Yeah, not worth it, mate. And then gold is just stuck in this range, boy. This 4 hour is going to be interesting. to close. We're not in rush for positions, chat, because if you were here yesterday, you caught yourself a juicy 37 pips, if not higher. So we're on a, you know, we've got 2 wins last week, 1 fat win this week. We don't need to rush anything. And also there's New York coming up. That's just on stream, right? This is just the 1 or 2 hours that I'm trading on stream. I'm still trading into New York, right? So yeah, we're here to learn. If you're here to learn, you're going to be profitable. If you're here for positions only, good luck. That's all I'm going to say. I know I'm going to see your name disappear in like 2 months. DRT, gotta go. Catch you Monday. Thanks for the stream. No worries, bro. I'll catch you later. Yeah, so chat, basically we're stuck in this range. We'll analyze each candle as it closes, and we'll talk about it and why I'm not taking it or why I would take it, and scenarios where I would take it and wouldn't, so you guys can learn from it. We will show you guys discipline like we always do every day, because discipline is the most important thing, one of the most important things in life in general, not even just trading. That's discipline changed my whole life. Like I used to be very undisciplined, if that's a word. I used to be not disciplined. When I was at uni and shit, I used to fucking wake up at 4 p.m. and do fuck all in my day and go to the club and shit and just too much and spend all my money. And then my brain just switched. Don't know why. And then I was just started like, you know, being grateful to God and everything, and then started being more disciplined and waking up early and going gym and trading, and that's it. Changes everything. And before you know it, your bank account's just going bigger and higher, bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's just like a byproduct of discipline. That's what it is. Even YouTube, right, has showed me, not even just trading, YouTube has showed me, if you just stick with something, you'll start growing. I uploaded like 30 videos on YouTube, and I was slowly getting 10 subs each video or something, right? 10 subs. And I was grateful even for those 10 subs. I don't get like so, I didn't get upset, only 10 subs and 10 subs. I knew from trading, because it taught me that if you stay disciplined, you're going to still make it like, you're going to still start to grow, right? And then now YouTube, been streaming, and I started to see good growth now. And like, look, we're on 1.5k subs, and that means my videos, my normal videos, will start to get views and push up, and it's just compounding, right? And then like when I drop more like invaluable stuff, then more people will see it, and that's it. It's pretty lit. Crazy, eh? Yeah, man. I'm in the Discord if you're chilling, Yanis. Up to you. It's mad how it works. Yeah, it's that first bit, right? That first bit, I stream every day, Max, by the way, every day. I try to stream every day. Obviously, the 1 or 2 days here and there where I can't because I'm busy, I won't be streaming, but Yanez will be streaming as well every day, which will be good.
What's going on?
Yo, what's good, man?
Gotta win this Fortnite game.
Gee. See, when he's off stream, he gets cracked.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. You guys on stream, you put him under pressure. Josh said, I think we all fundamentally want to do something productive in life, but we find a gazillion ways to numb that with quick dopamine, etc. Yeah, that's a fact. That's a fact. The way, you know, this is one thing I spoke about this in like one of my first streams as well. Like, it's up to you, right? Your mobile phone, for example, you can go one way completely or the other. My TikTok is filled with like I only follow like productive like accounts. I only follow like podcasts, you know, not just about trading, just about in like life, you know, like David Goggins and these other podcasts that people have, like Mike Thurston's podcast. I follow all these type of things on TikTok. So when I go, yes, you got your phone, which gives you access to all these things instantly. You can either go be in bed and scrolling and actually learning. I mean, Joe Rogan, yeah, all these ones, right? So you can either go to bed and you're on your phone and you learn one little bit more, like while you're sleeping, right? Which is better. Or you can go on the other hand and it's like yin and yang, right? Or you can go on TikTok and you just follow all the OnlyFans girls and you'll just be seeing fat bunders fucking before you go to sleep. And then bro, you like, come on man, like they don't even know who you are. Like don't do that. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, like just follow things that you enjoy and that will actually help you. Like that's what I just see. That social media is like, you can follow the right people or you can just go down the darkest quick dopamine drain and you're gonna not be disciplined at all. Jack, right? Yeah, that's Jack's a special though. Follow Jack's pull-up journey. Yeah, fat bunder's okay in moderation, of course, but you gotta earn the fat bunder. You gotta earn it, bro. You gotta be disciplined first. There's also something called mental mastery, which is watching a bunch of motivational quote page, which may not help you do anything productive, but it might feel good for a minute. That is true as well. Like if you're just watching videos and getting motivated by David Goggins, and then you're not even going to gym or going on your runs or going outside, and you're not fucking being disciplined, then what are you doing, bro? Like, I only trade because of Bunda. That's funny, bro. But yeah, that's true as well. It's all about action, right? Actions speak louder than words. It's the same in trading. Like you can say, "Oh man, I back tested and I found out I have 100% win rate and blah blah," and then you come to the chart. Are you gonna practice the same discipline you did on a simulation on the live market? It all changes when you're waiting and you're seeing each pip move and it just closes above your, like just below your range that you wanted buys from. And then you get a bit of FOMO feeling. Are you gonna act on it or not? If you don't act on it, you're a top G. If you act on it, then you're gonna take it out for the day mentally. Bro, how can I join the Zoom? I'm gonna set that up because now I've got the YouTube partner thing. I'll probably set it up. So like, to some people, I'll just give the Zoom link to or a Discord or something. I'll do this. I'm gonna sort it all out this weekend. Let me write that down. Buy Zoom Pro and set up Zoom access. Cool. I wrote that down. We should be having Zoom access come next week, hopefully, which will be cool. Right now, this Discord is just like, it's just like me, Yanez, SG, Jack, and some stuff. Like we just had it for a while. But yeah, that'll be cool. The Zoom access. Then we can like break when people have questions on the Zoom. We can break it down, right? That'll be fun and helpful for a lot of other people as well, even if you're not on the Zoom. Right now, most people that come on this Discord, like they already know how to trade, like Yanez and that. SG.
Fat bunda.
Fat bunda, bro. in moderation.
Always.
Yeah. If you're disciplined for the week, all right, cool.
Then you get some bunda.
Then you get some bunda. If you're not disciplined for the week, then bro. Yeah.
No bunda for you.
Then you have to watch your Jack do pull-ups in his boxers.
Oh.
Well,
I'll
that
talk
is still
about
fat.
normally.
That's still fat bunda.
Yeah, exactly. Hold on, they're getting a double dip.
That's still fat money, yo. Jeez Louise. Being in drawdown when you didn't follow your plan is the worst shit ever. Drawdown for me is nothing now that I always follow the plan. Facts. Bro, it's so true. If you are in drawdown and you followed your plan, is that you got that little feeling behind your head that even though you're in drawdown, you feel at ease, you know? You feel like, oh, it's cool. It's so good. But if you go in drawdown and it's against your plan, that's the double negative. Then you need to call it a day after that because every human's going to go on tilt. I don't care who you are.
Waste man after that.
Well, say again?
Then you feel like a waste man after that.
Yeah, you do feel above. You feel like, wow, I'm such a waste, man. Then the whole day I'm fucking angry. But I obviously don't do that anymore because we just stick to the plan. But we used to. Everyone's been in the situation where they've done that. Let's go, chat. Jeez. No G's though, just Louise. Just Louise, bro. 105 likes. Jeez. W.
What's been happening this morning? You had any trades or you just been waiting?
Bro, to be honest, look how many news events are coming later. Gold is just being an idiot.
Oh yeah, of course.
So
Yeah.
you know how the market goes. It just obviously consolidates before news, because if it's going to pick a direction to fill any of these fat ranges, it's going to be news, isn't it?
Needs a load of people in the market.
He leaves a load of geezers.
Patient.
Yeah.
It's NFP, right?
Yeah, NFP. Yeah, NFP, unemployment rate, fucking everything. Just mad.
Yeah, CPI.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoever's trading that news, good luck. If you're gonna trade news today, good luck to you, bro. You'll get slipped.
Yeah, that is horrible.
You're probably gonna get slipped like 50 pips. Hi man, it's hard for me to identify no trading zones. Are there any rules which I can use to find those? Right, yes, that's a good question. So, for example, you know when you do your top-down analysis, when you come to look at your actual trading zones on the 30-minute, 1 hour, 15, 5-minute, whatever you do, the most important thing is if you look left, price action is when you are predicting future price based on the history of price, right? So, if you look left and you see that there's so many like supports and you've kept coming up against where you want to take the position, stay out that zone. Like right here, we got a fat disgusting consolidation zone. That for me is going to be a no trade zone. So there's nothing here that was going to make me take this position, because first of all the higher time frames look chalked, and then we drop down to the lower time frame. We can see that there's a bunch of supports and resistances all in one area with no clean range. Compare that to up here where we could get a trade range, because now you can see it's a bit cleaner, right? So every move up at least came to a certain point before rejecting. Here it just rejected off like a million different points where you could get like popped, you know what I mean? So that, if that answers your question, that's why you're gonna trade after news. Yeah. I'm still gonna be trading New York as well, chat. I'm just not gonna be streaming it, but I'm gonna be trading New York, and I'm gonna stay out of anywhere from half an hour in that news, before that news. I'm not gonna enter even if the 1 hour candle sets up nicely. I'm not gonna take it, because if you're stuck in that position and news comes out, you should just peek. We've done that before.
Last time we done was fucking hilarious.
Oh, that was funny though, man. That was actually jokes.
What one was that?
Do you know on the Discord we were like, whoa.
What, we was in a trade?
Yeah, and then unemployment claims or something.
Yeah, I do remember. About 2 months ago probably, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a while ago.
What's up, Cap? How you doing? All as well. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade for the rest of the year, to be honest. Yeah, bro. If you want to even call it a month, bro. Like, you know, it's not that deep. The market's always gonna be here. Like, if you even have the ability in your brain to be able to call it a day, or to call it a month, or to call it a week, that's actually a good thing, which means that you're not so needy in the market. The market doesn't respect people that are needy. It don't respect you if you're needy. If you wake up needy in that mindset, like straight off the bat, first thing you do in the wake up, you don't even like fucking wash your face, bro. Like, you go straight on MT5, then good luck for the rest of the day, bro, honestly.
What, you don't do that either?
No chance.
What?
I wake up, go downstairs, make this protein shake. I usually have a banana, but you know, ran out of bananas. And then I go on Yanez's stream, and then I'd stream.
You don't lay in bed for 3 hours on MT5 taking trades that you shouldn't take.
Nah, I have done it before though, when I first started, and I got wrecked, so that's why I know. That's why I know from experience. Mr. Snowman, yeah, it's a hard part to stop, lol. I'm already good for the month, so I'm just gonna hold off until my payout. Yep, that's a dub, bro. That's the same thing I'm doing. So on TFT, I've got a payout come in, but I'm not gonna just keep trading that one account. Like, I'm holding off on that account now for the rest of the year until I get my payout, and then I'll start back on that account again in next year. And actually, I'm waiting for another payout on a different prop firm as well. So I'm just gonna wait for them. Right now, I'm just trading the live and the challenges for the rest of the Q4, and then back next year with the live accounts again. So, Hasmili, I got a lot of funded questions, bro. Okay. I think you need to ask the question then, bro. Enjoy the time off, well deserved. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with taking time off as well if you like it's deserved time off. There's a difference between just taking a break from trading just because you just don't want to grind or you don't want to hustle. Like that's different. That's like that's not good. But if you genuinely you've put in good work, you've had a great month, then you can go treat yourself to a little city break or something, or like holiday. Like right now, I've had a great year. So at the end of the year, I'm gonna go and book a few holidays for the end of this year. I'm gonna book like maybe 3-4 holidays for the next year to treat myself for having a good year, right? And then boom, then those will be like little mental breaks, and then come back to the chart after. Holidays are so good for your mental. Like people underestimate it. Like that's one thing I'll actually genuinely promote to everyone. Like if you can do it. If you have the means to do it, just go on some holidays, bro, outside your town. Like you'll just see things, and it will just, when you come back, you're extra locked in because you're so motivated to make that your lifestyle, like to be able to be free and travel and experience different cultures and things. Like it's so fun, bro. And it shows you there's more to life outside this little bubble that you're in. So true. Holidays have helped me like lock it in even more, to be honest. But you can't just go on holiday and treat yourself if you don't deserve it. If you haven't stuck to your plan all year, you've been an idiot, you've blown all your money, don't go on holiday because you're just, what are you doing? You don't deserve it. But if you deserved it, you've proven that you deserve it, you've done the right stuff, you've worked hard this year, you've saved money aside, even in your 9-to-5 job, you've done good, you haven't wasted your money on random shit, then treat yourself to a holiday and take a week off and have a mental break. Your mental state is so important because in trading you will absolutely get crushed if your mental bit's not there, Yes sir, yep. What do you think of Alpha Capital? To be honest, I don't really use them, so I don't know, but I know they gave away like 1 million accounts or something. Question 1. What exactly is phase 1 and phase 2? It is a phase in the challenge where you have to pass and hit a profit target to get the live account. Phase 1 is usually 8%, phase 2 is usually 5%. I'm not a prop firm owner though, so can I quickly explain drawdown? Yeah, so drawdown is literally just like, for example, say please do not take this position, chat, but say I'm in a wait, that's probably gonna play out. Let me say I'm in a buy here. I got a buy from here. Just drawdown just means you're down in the position. So right now you'd be in drawdown, right? But we're not in that position, so I don't want anyone to flame me. That's all drawdown is, to be honest, bro. A test exam, an exam. It's not an exam. It's more like it is kind of, yeah, I guess. It's just like you get given an account. You got to prove yourself to hit a profit target, and then you get the real live account basically, which is also then it's not fully live, but yeah. 50% of chat and buyers now took a buy. Thanks for the signal.
What's your TP?
TP 2050, guys. I'm joking. Do not, please don't.
No, you don't.
Don't, because some people actually look. We are in a trade? Question mark. We're in a trade, bro. We're not in a trade. We're not in a trade. If you can trade this range, good off. You TP off screen. Look, should we do this? Oh no, I want to troll, but like I know people actually take the position now. That's the problem. When I make a private group, I'm gonna troll, and we can like do stuff like that. Because I know they won't take it seriously and they won't fucking buy it straight away unless I actually say buy. Because a lot of the people that come in their lives, they just come here for positions, bruv. Floor BI, buy now. No, It was a joke. Do not trade now. I was just explaining what drawdown is to someone. Lock in. We're gonna mix. So for a 10k account, normally would be $800 and phase 2 would be $500, right? Yes, that would be correct. Usually. What is my playbook? I use the Donvo DVS playbook for my the structure of my position, and then to look for what scenarios I actually get those positions. That's just stuff that I've found out by just trading, you know. But the actual entries and things pretty much from the DVS playbook, yeah. What is this song? Bro, what do you want me to play? It's just lo-fi music, bro. Is it weird to trade? Is it weird to trade the order block instead of from the order block? I don't trade order blocks, bro, so I'm not the guy to ask for that. I would be lying if I come and pretend to you like I trade that way and tell you stuff that I haven't personally done. So you probably have to go to some guy that trades order blocks for that. But yeah, I might trade order blocks, but I don't know. I don't call it like that, you know. I might trade it because I'll just trade price action. I might end up getting a setup in an order block, you know, but I don't know. That's like TGR stuff, I think. No, you love lo-fi music. Oh yeah, man. Lo-fi music's sick. It's just so chilled. Lo-fi music makes him angry. That's funny. GJ Shorts. It's probably not the range 2, is it? Whoa. GJ Shorts? Nah, bro. Nah, bro. Look, the daily can flip and break that high at any point. The previous daily closed respecting this support. So that's why you can actually come up, and that's why this 4-hour candle, we said if it closes above here, it might be good to go up, but we need to wait for that 4-hour candle to close to get any positions, to be honest. And we said range 2 each ways. There's no rush, guys. There's no rush today at all. Take it easy. Think of it like a normal Friday. If you get your setup, let the market come to you. The setup should be calling your name. You don't need to go and scavenge for it, right? Because if you've been on stream, we've had a great month so far. If you've been, you know, stick to your strategy, you've probably had a great year, and that's it. Question 2. When is the payout after you complete the phase 2 or after you make profits with a live account? So you pass the phase 2 and then you make profits in the live account, and then usually there's a minimum set of days that you have to wait, and then you can request a payout, and then it usually comes within like a week, 2 weeks. Husbro, is 2027.5 on the 30-minute time frame accurate support? 2027.58. Problem is, yeah, I see what you mean, but the problem is if you look left, it is not bad, to be fair to you. But the reason obviously we said we're waiting is because of all of like the daily, like the daily previous candle's bullish, so we're technically bullish for the day. So to take sells is going to be questionable until you get like a 1-hour closure. But it's not bad. It's not bad because if you see when you did drive down to here, but it's just not ideal for me if I really want a direction because of news later. And look, that's only 14 like pips until your full TP, to be honest. You'd have to get on the break of that, and then the advantage zone is here. So the advantage zone actually be here because we drove up from here each time. So you'd only have a 3. The reason it's a good support, right? But the problem is if you look left, your advantage point would be like 3-4 pips. For me, that's just the way I trade personally. That's not good enough for me. I need, because like if you might get slipped 1 or 2 pips, then you got 2 pips left. You are gonna hit break even. So what's the point even taking the commission? You're gonna pay commission as well just for like no reason, you know. Question 3. From all the funded challenges you've done, what is the leverage they let you play the markets with? I think, well, I don't even care about leverage, to be honest, but I think it's 1 to 100 or 1 to 50. I risk percentage based, so I just like, you know, it's calm usually. And I risk on the live account, I only risk 1%. Someone said, buy stops plus sell stops, we're going to be rich. Am I in positions? No, you'll know if I'm in position, it'll be on the screen. I never take a position on screen which it won't be clear that I'm in a position, you know. Hey House, I noticed that you mentioned you are earning money also from crypto. Will you teach us about that in the future? Right now I don't actually earn money from crypto, but I did. That's how I earned my first bit of money. But the way even crypto is right now, I'm only gonna the stage I'm at now is with crypto and stuff. I'm just waiting for certain price points to get tapped on certain cryptos, and then I'm gonna just buy a bag, and then I'm gonna just sell, obviously, positions off as we get to all-time highs and stuff. But I don't day trade no crypto. I don't do that anymore, and I don't also invest in meme coins and stuff. That's all what I used to do, bro. Are you for real gonna spar with Don in the London meetup, bro? Actually, me and Don can spar, bro. But I don't want to hurt him, man. He's the crown jewel of DVS. No,
I reckon he'd have you right over.
Yeah, but there's no chance.
Look him in there, he must trading.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, you think it's all easy saying done, but you won't be able to land a punch. Everyone thinks in their brain they're playing out scenarios until you get in the ring.
You sound like a real
bad man.
23 baby mother.
Nav's the best IT support trader in the world. The best Google what's it called? Google what are those Google Play cards that they get?
Please, can we see your biceps?
Who said that? Please, can we see your biceps? Bro, if you want to see my biceps, they're going to be on the vlog which me and SC did when we went gym.
Oh, what a plug.
What a plug. Yeah, me and SG went to the gym and we did a vlog and it was fun, and we're going to edit it for you guys and post it. It's going to be on the DVS creators page when that comes out. So that's going to be jokes. And I also have a vlog, I also have a vlog coming out this weekend. It's not a trading one. It's just me and my cousins. We went to this like massive inflatable and like parkour place, and I recorded it. So I edit that and I'll upload it this weekend. So it'll be funny. It's just like I want to post vlogs as well. So it's not just, you know, there's life outside of trading, guys. We're posting trading content every day, but we're also, you know, there's life outside trading. If you understand there's life outside trading, you'll be better at trading. But it's funny, bro. We went. It's the inflatable, some massive inflatable park. Yeah. The moment we stepped in, we would just rest. It would turn into WrestleMania. Like we were getting each other in headlocks and throwing each other, and all the kids that were there were just running away and they were screaming, and we were getting told off by the fucking. It was just funny, man. It was too funny. Can't wait to go gym with you guys someday. Yeah, man. We'll probably do it at London meetup, big gym sesh. SG's the big guy though. I'm not big. I'm just lean.
Yeah, I was just shredded.
Yeah.
I'm just a big old lump.
Husk got OnlyFans? No, I don't.
What, did you cancel it?
Yeah, I cancelled it. I had this weird guy called Jack kept sending me messages every day on it.
Asking for
London Spa meetup. Imagine
for the top breakdown.
He did it. No, not in the bouncy castle vlog, bro. They're on show in the SG gym vlog. Good morning, MPM. How you doing? Yeah, it's a shame, bro. It's a shame. Check GJ. What do you want me to check, bro? To be honest, chat, we've just been stuck in this range. We planned this all together. We know what we were looking for, but we are stuck in this range. But it's all good. It's part of trading. We'll trade into New York and we'll see. Huss, my mentor, please teach me. Nah, bro. You're an ICT trader now. Remember what that guy said yesterday. You need to learn ICT. That guy yesterday was jokes, man. MPM said, I finished phase 2 100k in one day. Do you know if I can put 0.01 lots? Yeah, you can do that. I actually asked that Nav that same question because I passed it as well before the minimum trading days. And then I asked him if I can do the 0.01 and it works, so you can do that. Just keep popping 0.01s and then just wait till the time goes. What time frame do you prefer to close below or above resistance or supply? My favorite time frames are the 30-minute and the 1 hour. Now, it feels like I haven't traded from ages. Yeah, to be fair, you're taking it slow in it because Q4, the way swing trades. To be honest, what swing trades can you even get in this condition? Shit. Whoa, Mr. OK is here. Nah, MPM is good, bro. You should be alright. They won't kick you out. 1 minute swings. Man, that would stress me out. The reason why I used to trade the 5 minute even, but the reason why I went back to the 30 and 1 hour is because trading should be simple, no stress. You know, when you put in the hard work to learn the the strategy and you know your analysis, you back tested and you forward tested, you gotta find ways to make it. Why is my cat screaming in the back? You gotta find ways to make it simple and just have a system. That's it. You only use 5 minutes to enter trades. Yeah, 5 minutes work, bro. I passed off 100 with the 5 minute as well. That's just for me personally. That's why you got to trade it based on your personal preferences as well as the strategy. Hush, you got normal or swing account with FTMO and why? Normal. I just got normal because I'm not a swing trader. I don't know. I just bought the normal one. What's my risk reward? 1 to 1,000. What's this guy doing, man? Please, sir, teach me. I traded opposite of Don Vo entry this morning. What? Don got a dub though.
Bro, people don't understand that you can trade both ways and still get a win.
Yeah, bro, you could trade both ways and still get a win. The thing is, Don... Yeah, if you stuck to your strategy, then yeah. If you didn't, then Don stuck to his strategy and he got a dub. So, you know. And he showed discipline. So, did you really, you know? I understand what he meant. Yeah. Because that's just... He knows, bro, what he's going to do, you know? No one can even say anything, bro. Man's on a 40. People are not, understanding what he's saying on the top. 40-something win streak. Can't wait for next year. Oh, mate, honestly. I feel like next year's going to be massive. I'm gonna go ham on the scaling. I'm going to... I feel like we're all going to be killing it. Nav, let me get a few more payouts and I'll come with you to the TFT Miami thing next year, man. Watch, I bet you I'll be on it with you as well. Does my cat have biceps? Yeah, he's got bigger biceps than me, bro. I trade opposite to Don sometimes. It works out, but you must have a reason to enter. Yeah, if it's your strategy, just forget what you're trading opposite to. Just trade your strategy, you know? What are you looking to improve on going into next year? Great question. I like that question. So at the end of this year, I'm going to do a big summary of how I started my strategy, how it ended, how I was financially, how I was on social media, how I was mentally, physically, everything. Next year, my plans trading wise, I wanna. So I've got funded now and I've proven myself and stuff, but I want to scale up. So next year, my goal is to hit $1 million in prop firm capital, which I know I can get. Like I know it, as long as they don't all go in under the mud or something, and so it should be good. That's my goal. I need to improve on handling that size of capital as well, like the big, like trying to get like, you know, how am I gonna handle a 1 mil of capital? I don't have $1 million of capital yet, so that's gonna be interesting to see. So that's something I'll need to improve on, how to handle that sort of capital. Number 2 is gym wise. I just wanna keep going gym, get stronger. I need to hit 2 reps of 100 kilo. I can only do 1 right now. What else? Does my cat trade? Yeah, he does. Yeah, just I wanna go on a few holidays. Am I bulking right now? I'm not. To be honest, I'm not really bulking. I'm trying to like lean bulk, but the problem is that's not really like, you can't really put on that much lean bulking. I am slowly getting better. Like my body's decent, but like flipping hell, man. To bulk is like you gotta eat tons. I'm just eating. I eat like 4 meals a day, high protein, have some carbs, and I go gym like 4 times a week. So that it does the job, to be honest. Your cat trades biceps. Nice, man. Look at this can. Look at this. Even GJ's ranging. Chalked. Chalked. And then gold also closed respecting this. Even if you wanted to use this support, it closed respecting it. So we're probably unlikely to get positions. We'll wait for another 27 minutes, chat, and then I'll let you know exactly what I'm going to be looking for coming into New York. And then if I get a trade, I'll show you on my Instagram or something, or you can DM me on this time. We'll talk about it. But yeah, we'll see how this 4-hour candle closes, and we'll do another fresh, quick speed run analysis, and then yeah. What chalked mean, guys? Please. It means just like chopped, like it's just like dodgy. It means dodgy.
Load of old
yeah, load of all. Start activity. What's this?
Lagging on me.
What? I'm lagging.
Am I lagging?
Now, how much can you bench? No one supports you. How can we support you now, mate, when you don't post or show your face? We support Banks with Nav, but he's very low key. Huss, how can I join Discord? Yeah, I don't have the Discord up yet. I mean, I've got it ready, but I haven't. There's a few things I need to make sure before I release it. But yeah, you can bench 135 grams.
Wow.
Jeez. Yeah, he grams. Jeez. Now can bench 1 scoop of protein.
He's going to get onto ounces next week. You watch him.
Now you can bench 135 kg. Or pounds. Because I swear in Canada it's pounds. How much is 135 pounds?
Not a lot.
How much is 100 kilo?
Then,
I can bench 100 kilo in pounds.
100 kilos is about 210 or something, isn't it?
220, yeah, 220 pounds. You can bench 140 for 4. Fucking hell, mate. You're a tank. I don't go for strength though, to be fair. I just go for just aesthetics. But I have some, like, there's some guy from my school that I went with. Bro, he's wham, fam. He benches like, mate, he does like 30 reps, 40 reps of 100 kilos. Like, that's mad.
Okay.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. That's just like mad. Big up. Big up Joe if you're watching. Do you guys know how to copy trade with fundeds? Yeah, so I use Social Trader Tools. It's this Social Trader Tools. You click on it and then you will be able to pair 2 accounts, and then yeah. KG plates feel heavier than pounds. Oh, really? I've never used pounds because everything's in kilos in UK. What do you think about GJ? Continue ranging or it's done? I think at some point GJ will correct this move. I think so, because that move is a flash move, right? So I think we may correct it. I just think, I don't know if we're going to come down first before we correct it, or if we're just going to trickle up and correct it, you know. Maybe the news will probably correct it. I don't know. It's going to be interesting. Honestly, might quit my job in the beginning of the year. Some prop firms don't like. Yeah, it's up to you on your personal situation. If you feel like you're comfortable and you've got a buffer saved up that your bills are covered for the year, then quit your job. If not, then don't quit it, bro.
Mr. Snowman made a buffer last night on GJ. Fuck.
Oh.
He sent me his trades. Bro.
Fucking hell, did he? He made a
Insane.
buffer. There we go.
Massive buffer.
There we go, mate. He's sorted then.
Who's that?
Mr.
Mr. Snowman.
W.
Bang on yesterday on GJ.
W, man. He made a year's salary one day. I rate it. Respect it. I know that feeling, mate. Did it from crypto. When you use Social Trader Tools, does it position size the trade for you, or is there a setting? So what you can do is, so like say you risk £1,000 on your personal live account and you want to copy it to a 200k funded account and you want to do double the risk, right? So what you can do in Social Trader Tools is you can do a lot size multiplier. So it will, whatever position you take, it will times it by whatever you set for the other account. So you can times it by 2, you can times it by 5, you can even cut it by 2, cut it by 5. So that's what it does. It doesn't calculate the position size for you, but it does a multiplier. So you can put, I want to trade on my personal, but I want my funded to do 10 times the size, and then you can just put it in the thing. So I do that with different account sizes. Chat, what's heavier, kg of steel or kg of feathers? Chat, what's heavier? 1 kilo of feathers or 1 kg? Before you joined DVS, did you join the course? Not really. I learnt from the streams though, and I was typing in the chat, and I was.
Then we got headhunted.
Yeah, then we kind of got picked out, you know. And then I passed the funded, and I made a video of that, and bigging up my boy Don, and then just got to know DVS a bit more, and then I bought the Zoom. I paid like 500, whatever, 700, whatever for that Zoom link. And then just started talking on the Zoom, and that's pretty much how we got in DVS properly. And Nav spammed Hus for mod in the chat.
I remember that.
Yeah. Nav's the guy, bro.
It was actually, now we've actually narrowed it down, I think we could just solely say it was all down to Nav that one day.
Yeah, Nav's the pioneer.
Yeah. Nothing to do with you showing up every day for like however long. It was just Nav.
It's
Going
just
plus
Nav.
for mod.
Yeah, it's just Nav, bro. Wav. Big up Wav. Helicopter. This guy, bro. Let me type that.
Are you putting that as a thing?
This is Nav's,
Exclamation mark.
yeah, this is Nav's, When Nav starts streaming.
Oh, who's gonna?
When Nav starts
Can you do
streaming.
your own one, Huss?
This is when Nav starts streaming. This is gonna be his intro. That's Nav's intro. Say that again, Jack.
I can't even remember, mate.
You said, are you gonna?
Oh yeah, your own one for your, you know, like when you put exclamation mark Jack, it says whatever. Your one can be, I'm under the water, please.
I'm under the water. That's that guy's, bro.
No, that was the whole of the fucking Donbo chat yesterday, mate.
Oh yeah, true. No, that's you. That's you, bro.
Hey?
That ending of the stream was funny. I was just like, what? I sat there after. I was like, what are we doing?
That was mad, because I went out doing my fucking pull-ups, and I was looking at my phone, obviously, at the trade, and I was like, oh my days, it's like 10 pips away from stop loss, and it's going back up.
What percentage do you risk on funded challenges? I risk on the live account 1%, on the challenges 2 to 3%. Nav, bro. I'm sorry for the fat man. You love the Turkish songs. I've been Turkey too many times, man. I need to stop going. Didn't even get a hair transplant.
Wait, what?
I've been on holiday to Turkey a lot, innit? I don't know why. It's just like.
It's just the place he goes.
It's just a place. Where have I been?
Keep away.
I've been Miami, Marbella. I've been Spain. I've been Ibiza in Spain. I've been Algarve, Portugal. I've been Canada. I've been.
You've been around the block.
I've been Malta. I've been Greece, Rhodes, Canary Islands. It's pretty fun. Pretty fun, man. My next year I want to go Dubai and Thailand. Those two places I need to hit up, man.
Go Vietnam.
Vietnam. See Don's like
Sick.
Don's with grandma or something.
Mrs. Vo. Nah, you can't go there looking for a Mrs. Vo. You'll find everyone. I think that's like
You want to go Japan as well? Yeah. Oh yeah, I want to go Japan, man. Japan looks sick. But there's so many places to go. If you're deep, I want to go Japan. I want to go Singapore. That looks cool. I want to go Australia. Yeah, I do want to go Australia. What do you think about funded next?
Right, yeah.
Yeah, it's hot though, isn't it? And there's
It's hot at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like summer for you now, right, Janice?
Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be 40.
What do you think about funded next? I haven't used them, so I can't really talk about that.
40 degrees.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You take me diving with the sharks in Australia. Let's try it, man. Let's do it.
I couldn't do all that 40
Do it,
degree
fuck it
stuff.
off.
Let's fucking do it. As long as I'm in a cage. I'm not swimming. I'm not swimming in with the shark there, bro. You got no.
Why not?
You got no strength. Have you tried? Listen. Have you tried throwing a punch underwater? It gets nerfed. Your punch gets nerfed, bro. It does it's like the grey pump. It does nothing.
Yeah, but I can take a shark on land. Easy.
Yeah, easy. I'll just get in a rear naked choke. But in the water, you're done, bro. You you just get nerfed. You got like grey pump, 10 health. That's it. The shark's gonna just keep eating you. It's actually a really good workout to shadowbox in the pool. Yeah, I know it actually is, to be fair. Physics G, stab underwater. What about Germany, brother Huss? To be fair, I might be going because the Euros are in Germany.
I'll see you there.
Are you gonna go?
Bro, my girl lives in Germany.
Oh
isn't she?
yeah, yeah. I want to go for the Euros, so I might go Germany for the Euros. Who you supporting? It's got to be England, man. There's no other.
Yeah, what?
Yeah.
My question is that.
It's got to be England.
It's coming home as well.
Iran aren't in the Euros, so it's got to be England. Yeah, it's coming home. This time it's coming home. That one, that last one, against Italy in the finals and shit. That was nuts.
Bro, that
And they missed the penalties.
Yeah.
Oh man.
That summer was the waviest summer though. That Euro summer.
Yeah, that
And
Euro
Hot
summer was
Garden-
sick. That was so sick.
Hot Gardens and everything like every week. It's
Yeah.
And the weather was crazy.
Yeah. If your goal is 1 mil funded, will you do it with the same firm or multiple firms? Definitely multiple. So if anything happens to one, I've still got the others. I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. From UK, how's IC market spread? I like IC markets, man. I haven't had no issue with spreads with anything. So
Yeah, it's good.
yeah, and they're regulated, so I know the money is more safe there than it would be in most other things. Maguire in the starting 11. Maguire, mate. He doesn't play that bad for England though. Plays worse for fucking in the Prem. Who what's the name?
Dude, Jordy's Deutsch. Crazy.
Have you gotten a payout from True Forex Funds? I haven't even traded with True Forex Funds, bro. I trade with the funded trader and my funded FX. I learned more than a paid course from you, mate. Oh my, 1.5k money. Nice one, bro. Yeah, I'm just here giving free value, man. You don't have to pay for the streams. It's all free. Why are you not with FTMO? That's what I'm working with now. I'm trying to get the FTMO Elite Trader thing. So they've released a new thing where if you're consistent on the account, you become Elite Trader with FTMO. You can scale up to like 1 mil. So that's what I'm going to try to do as well on the side of getting the other ones. So we've got a big 2024 coming. We just got to stay disciplined. There's no time. I need to get it by this time or that time. We're just going to take what the chart gives me. I'm going to enter my setups when they come. I'm not going to be scared to take them. I'm not going to be in a rush to take them. So, boom. Chat, Ronaldo or Messi? Ooh, that's. I feel like Ronaldo.
Messi.
I like Ronaldo more, but Messi's a better football player. I think that's what I genuinely think. I think Ronaldo. I like Ronaldo more, like as I like his like mindset and his discipline and the way he came up. It's crazy. Like as a person, as an overall, I'd say Ronaldo's like a better person. But if we're talking about football skill, Messi's he's like an alien. He's just an NPC that just like doesn't know how to talk, and he's just an alien though. Like just knows how to fucking. Do you see him play in the World Cup, bro? He's carried Argentina to the fucking. That's crazy, bro. But CR7 is just a legend. Yeah, Messi does like mad stuff that like no one's gonna think about in that second. Like the way he just does some mad stuff, bro. Yeah, his dribbling is like it was like glued to the outside of his boot. And he's not even tall as well. He's best like he's like 5'6" or something, 5'7". What account size are you going for your next challenge? Not sure. I haven't decided yet. Maybe 200k. Do you think Messi got a funded account as well? If Messi needs a funded account, then we're all
And you
in
better
trouble.
get an ACG because there's a free one up on there.
Yeah, you better put AC, and Messi claimed the 5k, the free 5k ACG account. Huh? Would like to know about social trader tools. Oh, yeah, you literally just hook it up, log in, and then you just copy the trades, and that's it. Coke or Pepsi? I don't drink. I don't even drink either. But Coke's better than Pepsi, man. Pepsi's are like. If you play Pepsi, if you drink Pepsi, you play PUBG. Only PUBG people play Pepsi, like drink Pepsi.
The only time Pepsi's nice is when it catches you off guard once in a while.
Yeah. Like
and they give you the Pepsi. And
yeah.
You're like, oh, that's not so bad.
Yeah. Like you ask for Coke and they don't have Coke, so they just give you Pepsi. We're talking about the drink, bro. Well, yeah, we're talking about Coca-Cola.
Not cocaína.
Not the Colombian stuff.
I've never even tried that. I'm quite proud of that.
That's what Reza's out there doing.
What Reza's out there, yeah. Bro, what is that question? Did you see that?
I'm not looking at the screen. Is it repeatable or not?
Bro, no chance.
Oh.
No chance, bro.
What, did he ask what colour pants you're wearing?
Nah, bro, you're worse than that. No chance. You just got nabbed and timed out for 3 days.
I want to know what it was. Will I be able to see it?
Bro, no.
I'm downstairs making a bit of toast.
Fuck no. That's crazy. But if you want to know the answer, I'm joking.
Yeah.
Oh mate, that's.
Bro, there's so many Germans in the chat. This is crazy.
Wie heißt du? Ich heiße
Winkelheimer.
Huss.
Yeah, how did Nav time out for 86,000
He
seconds?
did it on his phone, bro. Nav just said, "I'm sorry, I just called the week for him."
Repeat the question in Fortnite terms.
Repeat the question for another time. He said, I don't know,
Gold pump or...
gold pump or banana.
Get his time out.
But what's going on? Oh yeah, no, Jack, like. Yeah.
What is WFYT?
W what?
No, some guy just
Is
asked
there anyone funded from WFYT?
I don't know if we got that.
The World Forex
YouTube tutorial.
YouTube. Yeah. Jack is the YouTube bouncer. He's like, "ID, show me your ID," and then they give him his ID, and he's like,
They're giving me McLovin's one.
Bro, UK bouncers are genuinely, they're like this. They're actually like this, look.
Got ID, mate? Do I look 17? ID.
You can't hear it, bro.
You can't hear it.
Birth. Do you not think I would have memorised the date of birth on that card if it was fake?
No.
Okay, driving licence number. On what fucking planet does anyone know their driving licence number off by heart? Okay, yeah. And last question: if Peter Piper, a peck of pickled peppers, a peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked, if Peter Piper did pick a peck of pickled peppers, where the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Up his arsehole. Spot on. In you go, you squirm.
That's actually what they're.
Bouncer at the London meetup.
So there's going to be the bouncer at the London meetup.
Oh,
You got to pass the trading question.
oh,
so.
you're right.
There's news of immediate effect on the market, especially the red folders. Yeah, it will.
It's alright, mate. No, I've been wanking in the corner all night, mate. What do you fucking think? Jesus. Mate, do you mind? Drugs? No, you dick. Can I just go in? Don't you raise your fucking voice at me, you little slut. Get your hands on your head.
What?
No, mate, I didn't.
What the fuck?
Anyway. The fuck is that? Mate, no, that's McDonald's soul. I don't know what...
What the fuck? Yo, what the fuck was that? Pause, bro. I didn't expect that to happen. Yo.
Jesus.
Jeez. Bruv. Is there someone who's funded with funding pips? I actually might try getting an account with funding pips, to be fair. I heard they're decent, they're in Dubai. But I need to I've still got an account on Funded Engineer to do as well. Just haven't even touched it yet. Lacking on the souls. Is that? Nah, bro. I remember bouncers in the UK, they let me in. Ooh, they just let me in once I took my passport. Yeah, bouncers in the UK, man, they're hit and miss. They're either the most angry people ever, or they're just pretty chill, you know. Yeah, that I didn't expect that to happen on that meme, to be honest. That escalated a bit too quickly for my liking.
Whoops.
Whoopsies.
We've had worse.
Yeah, we've had worse. I mean, if there's a YouTube video, then hopefully it won't get banned. Alright. To be honest, the 4-hour candle, let me tell you what I'll be looking for in New York. To be honest, I'm going to be looking for the same thing, to be honest. If this 4-hour candle can close below this support here, then we have got a higher chance that we can drive to fill this range. The only problem is on the lower time frames, you probably won't be able to get an entry because of the chopped range on the lower time frame. So if you were going to take this, it would only be able to be a 4-hour position, no lower time frame. If you want, obviously, to do the strategy that we're doing. Otherwise, if you continue to come down on the lower time frames, you can close below this zone at 2024.195. Then you can see us come and tap where we tapped before about 3-4 times, and that can be the position you can catch. Otherwise, if we close respecting, we may range in here for the rest of the day up until news, where news will just shoot everything out of the moon because there's 3 red folders, which is crazy. So there's going to be a lot of news, so make sure you do not over risk or over trade, because your account can be gone with a blink of an eye. We've been there before. GJ, we're ranging, same thing. I'll be looking for buys, range 2 on both. So if we remove these lines, buys and sells will be both range 2. If we remove these lines, then this is what we'll be looking for, basically. So we're still ranging on this. We just need a direction. There's no direction right now. As you know, we did a big fat move yesterday, so we're probably going to consolidate again. Same story till news, where we'll either break down or break up from that. But I'm going to wait for my closures. News is at 1:30 p.m. my time, which will be in New York session, which will be in Don's session, and Don is going to be streaming after me. So everyone obviously tune into that. You probably already know who he is. And then cool. No trading tomorrow. It's Friday. Everyone it's cool, man. Just relax. Be at ease today. Like, you don't need to force a position. If you've had a good week, then W, you know, like, keep it like that. Don't be over risking or anything. On Monday you'll be back. Yanez will be back streaming his London session. So go subscribe to Yanez, Captain, if you want to plug that. And then, yeah, after Yanez, then we're back again on Monday. And yeah, so Discord, peace. Peace.
Yeah, peace. Bye, driver.
Bye, driver.
Everyone laters.
Yeah, I'll catch you in tons. Yeah, so Yanez will be streaming on Monday, and then I'll be streaming again on Monday every day. We had a great week. This week we caught 37 pips, and last week we caught 30 pips or something as well overall, which means we're up like 62 or 63 pips on stream so far. We've only been streaming for like 2 weeks right now, right? So yeah, everyone, we're good. Don't be needy. Don't have that needy mindset come into the chart. Just make sure you are patient. You're going to wait for your setups. You ain't going to rush anything. You're going to have a good Friday, and you're going to go into the weekend feeling good instead of feeling bad. So do not break your plan today. I'm watching you. Please do not break your plan. If you guys want to ask any questions or anything, I'll be on Instagram. You can also follow my Instagram. It's the same as my YouTube name. And what else was I going to say? Yeah, I've got a vlog coming out this weekend. It's going to be more of a fun vlog. It's not trading related. It's just like what I do basically outside of trading, just having fun and stuff. So keep tuned for that. And we are going to cue the songs, man. It's DJ time. I'm going to pick a nice song so we can go out to the weekend lit. And also, yeah, we're not done though. I'm still going to be trading New York, but I'm just going to be taking it easy, you know. We had a great week. Cool. I will catch you guys. I appreciate everyone for coming in today. Josh, Henry, Rays, Geordie, Lasic, JD, George, everyone. Gingery, Young, W, Aliwan, W, Dennis, W, Henry, W, Cryptomaniac, W, Slow, Paul, W. Peace.
Maybe one day I'ma stand for something. I'm thanking God that he made you part of the plan. I guess I ain't go through all that hell for nothing. I'm always fucking up and wrecking shit. It seems like I perfected it. I offer you my love, I hope you take it like some medicine. Tell me ain't nobody better than me. I think that there's better than me. Hope you see the better in me. Always end up better in me. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. Drugs, then you hold me close, then I tell you how you make me whole. Sometimes I feel you like being alone, then you tell me that I should've stayed in the room. Guess I got it all wrong, all along my fault. My mistakes probably wipe all the rights I've done. Saying goodbye to bygones, those are bygones. Head up, baby, stay strong, we gon' live long. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go.
Have a great weekend, everyone, man. I'll catch you Monday. Peace. See you, Geordie, mate. Peace.